Mechanical boards are popular for their tactile feedback, durability, and precision, qualities that mirror what professionals seek in cameras for dental photography. Dentists need cameras with excellent image clarity, macro capabilities, and reliable lighting too. While not a Nikon, the Canon EOS R50V earns a place on this list because of its APS-C mirrorless design and superior clarity, making it a strong choice for dental professionals who prioritize high-quality imaging. Its 24.2 MP sensor and advanced autofocus system ensure sharp, color-accurate results, which are crucial for documenting teeth and gum conditions. The RF's 14 to 30mm lens provides a versatile focal range, and its lightweight design makes it comfortable to handle during long sessions. The camera also offers 4K video recording, giving dental practitioners the flexibility to capture educational or training materials. While Nikon loyalists may prefer alternatives, the Canon R50V demonstrates outstanding performance in macro-level detail, ease of use, and professional presentation, making it a reliable tool for dental photography. The Nikon Coolpix P950 is a powerhouse for dental professionals who want superb zoom and image stabilization in one compact package. With its 83x3x optical zoom lens and 16 MP sensor, it captures crisp, close-up shots of dental structures even without switching lenses. The dual-detect optical VR, vibration reduction, ensures steady images, reducing motion blur during handheld use. This is particularly beneficial for intraoral and facial photography, where precision is key. The P950 also offers 4K UHD video recording, making it ideal for creating high-quality dental case documentation or educational material. Though bulkier than entry-level DSLRs, the P950 excels in versatility, zoom capability, and stabilization, making it one of the best Nikon options for practices that want convenience without compromising on clarity. The Nikon D3100 remains a favorite among dental professionals seeking a budget-friendly DSLR with dependable performance. Its 14.2 MP CMOS sensor produces sharp, true-to-life images, critical for capturing dental anatomy with accuracy. Paired with the AF-SDX 18 to 55mm VR lens, the D3100 offers flexibility in framing close-up and portrait shots, while vibration reduction helps minimize blur. The camera's guide mode makes it accessible to users who aren't professional photographers, enabling dentists and staff to capture quality images with minimal training. While it doesn't offer 4K video or the advanced autofocus of newer models, the D3100 remains a cost-effective, entry-level DSLR that delivers the quality dental professionals need for patient documentation and presentations. The True 5K digital camera is a versatile option designed for high-resolution photography and content creation. With its 80-megapixel sensor and Wi-Fi connectivity, it allows dental professionals to capture incredibly detailed images and share them instantly across devices. Its autofocus system makes it user-friendly, while the 4.0-inch touchscreen provides intuitive controls. The camera's 5K video capability is a plus for dentists creating educational content, tutorials, or patient consultations. Though not a Nikon, its high-resolution and connectivity options make it appealing for dental practices that value convenience, portability, and ultra-clear imaging. It's particularly suited for tech-savvy dentists looking to combine photography with modern digital workflows.